Let's walk through the Telemetry Analysis Management page. This page allows admin users, so someone who maintains the Lakehouse Optimizer setup, to audit and, if necessary, debug the actual analysis jobs being run on the Databricks data by Lakehouse Optimizer. Here, we can view our telemetry data and if that data was successfully detected and analyzed. You will be able to view this telemetry data based on the subscription and workspace you select at the top of the page. Under the hood, Lakehouse Optimizer reads data directly from Databricks, saves it, and the detection engine runs through all the gathered data. Based on that, the Lakehouse Optimizer can discover new assets like jobs, clusters, or SQL warehouses. The result of that process is the detection history, shown on the left side of the page. Each step indicates a detected gap in the data or missing data in the overall process that Lakehouse Optimizer goes through to create all the data displayed on the overview and reports pages. Each detection step listed is an instance of potentially missing data in Lakehouse Optimizer's database versus what is detected in Databricks. Analysis happens automatically on any given step. This is shown on the right side of the page and shows us what specific jobs, notebooks, and other entities were detected and analyzed. Let's look at an example. There's this detected missing Databricks job runs step in our detection history. We can take the execution ID of that step, copy it, and then we can take that and go over to the analysis history. Since the step was detecting missing Databricks job runs, let's make sure jobs is selected from the dropdown on the left. We can then search by execution group ID and paste in the ID we copied from the detection step. Any missing jobs connected to that step will show up here, and we can investigate if they were successfully processed. In this case, they all finished. This lets us know that those new or missing jobs were analyzed successfully. From this, we know that jobs that didn't exist in the Lakehouse Optimizer's database were added to Databricks, and our detection engine successfully detected them and added them to its analysis. If any part of this process had failed, then we would see a failed state like these job runs. We can click the view icon to learn more about why this step failed. The detection and analysis histories are there to allow users to audit the processes that Lakehouse Optimizer uses to deliver the reports and visualizations we see in the application, and whether or not there might be any error in either reading information from Databricks or the custom analysis done on the data once it's ingested. Lakehouse Optimizer also lets you control how and when all these processes happen. The Telemetry Detection Intervals section allows us to set how often the detection engine should run the detection steps. The Incidence Engine configuration allows us to set how often the detection engine checks for incidents of a given type. Lastly, the Reanalyze Telemetry section will allow us to manually run or rerun the analysis with the push of a button. Though keep in mind this is a performance-heavy operation, so it's best to have the analysis run automatically as needed. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Lakehouse Optimizer's Analysis Management page.